Hello, welcome back friends. Today for summer, I'm ready to clean and decorate along with you guys. So to clean my kitchen, I'm going to clean up first and then pack up all the spring decor and decorate for the summer with you guys. So for cleaning, as I have told you earlier, these are my favorite products for the stainless steel. This is the one. It protects and maintains the shine of the stainless steel appliances, and this is for the granite counters. I like these, and I got this one from Home Depot, which is a quickie green cleaning microfiber cloth, and my favorite, the paper roll. So first I am going to pack everything which is out for the spring decor and clean my house along with you guys. So let's get ready. I'm going to put away all the spring decor and make the space for the summer one. Begin the cleaning. For the refrigerator. In the kitchen, I really like to change the candles according to the season, and with all the blue stuff, this is by Seawater and Pomelo from Bath and Body Works, and I am putting this in here. It smells so good, and it will go somewhere here. and rearrange it too. I also like this multi-purpose surface cleaner. It smells good and it's by Comet. I really like this one to clean up. So my kitchen looks neat and clean. Everything is all cleaned up. And I have some of the basic, my favorite stuff over here. All of this is clean. My phone soap has to be here. The chef with the oil, vinegar, salt and pepper shaker, and this jar for the cookies. This is our eating and studying area with the TV over here. Just set it up, this one, very simply with a table runner and this flower arrangement. It could go a little bit like this. So this is how this room looks. Welcome with all the summery lemons. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Yes, why not? And then with the blue and white summer decor, I really like this piece. Let's stay home. We still need to stay home and enjoy. So this is going in here. It can be hanged somewhere too, but this is going in here. Let's stay home. Let's stay safe, be responsible, and just hang in there with the best positive thoughts. This is the simple decor after the cleanup. Some blue and white stuff with the yellow flowers. And over here also some nice springy summery things. So this is how it looks like. I am going to add some candies. I have cleaned and decorated my space, my house for the summer. I hope you guys have got some ideas, enjoyed how I have done it, and till next time, take good care and love you all. See you next time. Goodbye.